If you are trying to enable Adobe Flash Player in Google Chrome, there is something very important you should know first. Adobe Flash Player was officially discontinued and permanently blocked by Adobe and major browsers, including Google Chrome. This means modern versions of Chrome no longer support Flash content directly for security reasons. However, some users still need to access older Flash-based websites, games, animations, or educational content. The good news is that there are still a few safe and simple methods you can try to access older Flash content in 2026. In this video, I'll explain the easiest way related to enabling Adobe Flash Player in Chrome step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, let's understand why Flash Player was removed. Flash had many security problems and performance issues over the years. Because of this, Adobe officially ended support for Flash, and browsers like Chrome disabled it permanently to protect users from harmful or outdated content. Now, if you try opening an old Flash website in Google Chrome, the content may not load at all. In most cases, Chrome will simply block the Flash element automatically. Unlike older Chrome versions, modern versions no longer include a simple Enable Flash button in settings. One of the safest alternatives is using Flash emulation tools. These tools simulate older Flash content without requiring the original Adobe Flash Player installation. A popular option many users explore is browser-based Flash emulation extensions, or archived Flash project tools that support older animations and games. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, search for Flash Emulator extensions. Look for trusted tools with good ratings and many users. Read the extension description carefully before installing anything. Once you install a Flash Emulator extension, restart Chrome and revisit the older Flash-based website. In some cases, the emulator may automatically detect Flash content and allow it to run inside the browser safely. Another useful option is using dedicated Flash preservation projects that archive older Flash games and animations. Some platforms allow users to play archived Flash content directly through modern browsers without manually enabling Adobe Flash Player itself. If you are trying to access older educational or workplace content, you may need to contact the website owner for an updated HTML5 version, because many websites replaced Flash with newer technologies years ago. It is also very important to avoid downloading random Flash Player installers from unofficial websites. Many fake Flash downloads now contain malware, viruses, or unwanted software, because Flash is no longer officially supported. Always be extremely careful when downloading old browser plugins. Some users attempt to install very old versions of Chrome that still support Flash, but this is strongly discouraged because outdated browsers create major security risks and compatibility problems. Using modern browsers with safer alternatives is usually the better option. You should also keep Chrome fully updated because newer updates improve compatibility with modern web technologies that replace Flash content. Click the three dots in Chrome, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically install updates if available. So that's the easiest way related to enabling Adobe Flash Player in Chrome in 2026. Modern Chrome versions no longer support Flash directly, but Flash emulator extensions and archived Flash platforms may still help you access older Flash-based content safely. The most important thing is avoiding unsafe downloads and using trusted alternatives only. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.